is an essential part of daily life, used by billions of people around the world. But behind every tube is a highly advanced manufacturing process. This is the journey of how Colgate toothpaste is made, from raw materials to finished product, ready for delivery. The process begins with the arrival of raw materials in the factory warehouse through the large industrial trucks. Before production begins, every ingredient is tested in the laboratory. Experts verify purity, composition, and safety. Using advanced testing equipment, only materials that meet strict quality standards are approved for manufacturing.
Quality check is complete. This batch is approved. The approved tag confirms it's ready for production. Moving this to the warehouse now.
After the raw material is approved from laboratory, it is transferred into large stainless steel mixing tanks. Powerful industrial mixers blend the materials into a smooth, uniform paste. This process ensures that every component is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. The toothpaste manufacturing process begins with the precise mixing of carefully selected ingredients inside large stainless steel mixing tanks. First, the main cleaning agent, called calcium carbonate, is added. This fine white powder acts as a gentle abrasive, helping remove plaque and clean the teeth effectively. Next, sorbitol solution is added. Sorbitol helps retain moisture and prevents the toothpaste from drying out. Glycerin is then introduced into the mixture. Glycerin improves the smooth texture and ensures the paste remains soft and easy to spread. Final ingredients of purified water and flavor oils are added for consistency and sweetness. Once all ingredients are added, The mixture is blended continuously using powerful industrial mixers until a smooth, uniform toothpaste paste is formed. Vacuum systems remove trapped air, creating a smooth and stable toothpaste. Next, the toothpaste passes through advanced filtration systems. Mesh filters remove fine particles, while magnetic filters capture any microscopic metal contaminants. This ensures the toothpaste is completely clean, pure, and safe. After filtration, the toothpaste passes through large stainless steel tubes towards the industrial storage tank. Before moving to the filling stage, technicians verify thickness, concentration of fluoride, and texture to ensure the product meets exact specifications.
Sample is placed and focused. Observing now. Texture is smooth and uniform, no contaminants, purity confirmed.
At the same time, empty toothpaste tubes are manufactured using high-precision machines. Each tube is formed, shaped, and prepared to safely contain the toothpaste. After tubes are formed, they undergo the Colgate brand printing on them to ensure uniqueness. The finished tubes are transported through pipelines to automated filling machines. Each tube is filled with the exact required amount, ensuring consistency across every product.
Line speed is steady, no visible defects.
Each filled tube is inspected again using cameras and sensors. Only perfect tubes move forward to packaging. Now begins the packaging stage. The tubes are placed into cartons, sealed securely, stacked onto pallets, and wrapped with protective film to ensure safe storage and transportation. The finished pallets are transported to the warehouse storage. Advanced inventory systems organize and track each pallet for efficient distribution. Forklifts then load the pallets onto Colgate delivery trucks. Each shipment is prepared carefully to ensure safe transportation. The trucks transport the finished toothpaste to distribution centers and stores around the world. This ensures the product reaches customers safely and efficiently.